Hi, Martin here. Today we're going to change out the sway bar links. If you've been getting a lot of clunking noises in your front end, especially when you're going over uneven ground, you'll hear like a clunk clunk noise. There's a good chance it's these right here. Another thing you can check are your bushings on your shock absorbers on both ends. Those can also cause the same sound. This is very common though. These do see a lot of wear. Now you also want to check your other bushings as well, your grommets on the control arms, upper and lower control arms. But for today, we're going to change out these, so let's get started. Alright, to make the job easier for me, especially for filming, I went ahead and raised the vehicle and supported it with jack stands on both sides. And you're going to want to do that and keeping the vehicle level, and that takes the load off the link itself, and that way you'll be able to remove the bolts with no problem and put the new link in. Now if you got a raised vehicle and offset tires and all that, you don't necessarily have to do that. These are relatively easy to get to, and especially like on the back ones, those are very easy to get to as well. But for filming purposes, we're going to do it like this. Okay, using a 18mm wrench here on the back side and a 15mm socket on the front. And see, because the vehicle is supported equally, there's no pressure on the bolt. It was rather easy to pull it out. Now we just got to unbolt the top one here. Alright, using an 18mm wrench on the back side here and an 18mm socket. Alright, with the link here, this being the top bolt. Now keep in mind, you want to remember which end is the top. And then you got your new one here. So you're going to compare the two. They actually do have, this is smaller on this end than on the bottom end. The bottom end is larger. There is a difference. Okay, so just keep that in mind when you're taking this off of here, which end is up. Alright, now we can put the new link back in. Here, I wanted to show you this link here. Now the one on this side here actually didn't look too bad, but the one on this side here You can see how it's pushed out to the one side right there, and then this side is like it's wanting to push it, you know, all the way through. So I think it was popping up against in here, making all the noise. But you can definitely tell the difference from one side to the other. They can get a lot worse than this. Alright, there you have it. Not so hard. Now I'm going to go ahead and just repeat the same thing on the other side. Put the wheels back on. And we got this all done. Quieter. That definitely was a problem. So if you're experiencing a lot of noise up front, definitely look at those link bushings, and those are most likely the problem. Alright, well thanks for watching. Please subscribe. And if you haven't ever subscribed to me before, hit that subscribe button right down there and that little bell symbol right next to it. And that way you get notifications of any upcoming videos as I post them. Alright. Thanks again.